Hey guys, I'm back with my database experiment 6. So this is actually a 6 experiment. So first, okay, this is the it's differently to there are two like PDFs for this. PDF, okay, Word document for this. So the first one is about views, views concept in database. So they asked me to create a view on book number as ID number and book name as book and price. So I created a view with book number as ID, book name as book, and price from book. So just replacing book number with ID number, book name with book, and then price is the same name and from book. So if we have like a view has been created with 6 rows, that is completely like the whole view. Insert values into above view and observe the changes. Okay. Uh, okay, so this is select sequence. Sorry, I haven't seen it. So this is create view. Here I actually created a view. Then I added some values into into the table. Into the table. One row created, and then select book from book details. Okay, what is the name I given? Okay, create view. The book details is the view ID, view name I gave for the view ID or view name I gave for the view. So from book details, if I display the details, it shows me the added values also. Like it shows me the added rows too. But and even in this the original book, the view, the updated, what you say, the table has been updated with the added rows in view. Just to say this is not permanent until you type commit to it, and then update overview by arranging it alphabetical order. So you just do ascending and descending order by book name to get them in alphabetical order. So drop the overview. Second, sorry. Okay, so yeah, you can just drop the view by creating drop view by pressing drop view and view ID. Then it automatically gets dropped. As you can see here, I didn't drop it because like I wanted to show the next thing. Display the names of books whose price is more than average price from the view created. So like from book details, your price is greater than the average price of the book details using a subquery. Subquery is what I'm used to. I displayed all the necessary book names, and then create a complex view having book names, issue date, and membership number. Okay. See, book name, issue date, issue record, membership from book ISS using two tables. I created a table. I created okay, this is actually displayed. Instead of displaying just if you give create you, then you get created with that and the ID you give. So okay, that's his first part, and the second part is this is about sequence query. And then they asked me to evaluate the speed of access using index by creating an index of book for book number attribute. So I created an index IDX book name on the table book and book name. Index has been created. The created sequence. Then okay, they create a sequence of student register number and generate primary key automatically and check the efficiency. Create a sequence one and with some the starting. Okay, this you can see it's the membership. Okay, I didn't create it for the student thing. I created it for the membership. So let me tell you, this is what you can say is the highest membership number, like the last membership number, and the max value for this will be 16,000. 16,000 cycles. Sequence will be created, and I insert them into the membership table. And I create another sequence with by 10 values till 16,000, and then I insert them into the same tools, because see, sequence on student register number generate primary key increment by 10. So I created a sequence and incremented by 10, and I set the max value to 1600. So yeah. Now evaluate speed of accessing index by creating index for the student number attributed to student table. See, IT student name on student table is being created, and select interval from dual. The you can see the time interval here and the time interval here. Okay, this is my sixth experiment database. Thank you.